Hi there, my name is Shannon Allen with Aromaboutik Aromatherapy, and today I want to share with you how to make a sweet earth spritzer. You're going to need a reusable bottle, some distilled water, 190 proof alcohol, whatever proof alcohol you have on hand. You're going to need these essential oils: cardamom, Palo Santos, black pepper or pink pepper, vetiver, witch hazel, and yeah, that's it. So let's get going. So we're going to start out with grabbing a container. We're going to add the alcohol. It's about 10 drops of alcohol, give or take. You can add a little more if you feel that is necessary, but that was about 10 drops of alcohol. We're going to do, we need to do cardamom. So we're going to do our cardamom right here. We're going to do 5 drops of cardamom essential oil. That was about 5 drops. We're going to do 5 drops of Palo Santo essential oil. We are going to take our black or pink pepper, and you're going to do 5 drops of that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to, our last oil is 5 drops of vetiver. Vetiver is very goopy, so what I'm going to do is take my pipette, take a pipette and drop my oils in it that way, or else we'll be standing here forever. So here we go, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Put my stopper back on. We're going to add 10 drops of witch hazel. So I have witch hazel right here. Grab another fresh, clean pipette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then all that's left is adding your distilled water to your jar. That is all it takes to make your room spritzer. So each time you use it, what you're going to want to do is shake it up really well to combine everything. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like I'm in the forest. And you're going to spritz. That smells so wonderful. So I hope you have fun making this room spritzer. Use whatever essential oils you're wanting, but that's a basic way on how to make a room spritzer. Until next time, my name is Shannon Allen.